Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to excel in communication skills. First, let's master active listening. This means truly focusing on the speaker, not just waiting for your turn to talk. Try to understand their perspective fully before formulating your response. Ask open-ended questions to encourage more detailed answers, and summarize what you've heard to confirm your understanding. This practice builds trust and ensures clarity in every interaction. Next, focus on crafting clear and concise messages. Before you speak or write, take a moment to organize your thoughts. Aim for direct language, cutting out any jargon or overly complex sentences. Your goal is to convey your message efficiently, ideally in under 2 minutes for most verbal exchanges. A well-structured message, with a clear point, will always be more impactful and easily understood by your audience. Nonverbal communication plays a huge role, often conveying more than words alone. Maintain good eye contact, about 60 to 70% of the time, to show you are engaged and trustworthy. Your posture should be open and confident, avoiding crossed arms or slouching. Use natural hand gestures to emphasize your points, but avoid fidgeting. These subtle cues significantly impact how your message is received and interpreted by others. Finally, cultivate empathy and master giving and receiving feedback. Empathy means putting yourself in someone else's shoes, understanding their feelings and motivations. When giving feedback, focus on specific behaviors and their impact rather than making personal judgments. Aim for a ratio of about 3 positive comments for every 1 suggestion for improvement. And remember, being open to feedback yourself is crucial for continuous growth and strengthening your communication abilities.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.